Welcome to Draw with Sean. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be drawing Baby Shark. This is a quick and easy drawing video that you can learn and teach to your kids, or you can draw together. So grab your black magic marker and let's begin. So Baby Shark is really easy to draw, and we're going to start with two large connected circles, and take your time drawing these circles. Within his eyes, we're going to draw the pupils, and these are just large circles within the big circles. So draw equal-sized circles within his large eyes. Then from the right, we're going to draw a line out, and that's going to be the tip of his nose. And then I'm going to sweep it down and up, and that's going to create the top of his mouth. Then I sweep it back down and back up, and you can see the shape of his mouth right there. And then little arc for his tongue. And then we're going to draw 4 little humps for his teeth. Next, we're going to start at the bottom of his mouth and draw an arc up. And then we're going to start where his eye is to draw the top, a short line, and then we're going to draw the dorsal fin up, then down, and then up for the tail. Then down, back down again, and up. And there we've connected all of our lines. Now we're going to create another line, which is the separation of color between the top and the bottom half. Top half is going to be a darker blue, and the bottom half will be a lighter blue. 3 lines right where the top of the mouth, corner of the mouth is, and then a fin right behind that. And there's one more fin poking out on the sort of between the nose and the mouth, just like that. And there you have the complete outline of Baby Shark. I'm going to go ahead and color in his eyes, and then I'm going to grab my coloring utensils and color him in. And if you'd like to join me and watch, please do. Or you can go right into coloring Baby Shark on your own while I color in the background. I hope you learned a little about drawing Baby Shark and enjoyed this video. Please teach it to your kids, or better yet, draw along with them and enjoy some quiet, creative time with your children. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.